Hey y'all, it's your girl Ashley. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today for you guys, I have a bit of a makeup video. It's not really a tutorial because I'm not showing you how to do anything. I'm just showing you how I get pretty, get dolled up. I love a simple eye and a bold lip, so that is what I am giving you today. Look at me jamming. I was having a good time this day. So I actually had a very long, drawn out voiceover planned for you all. I had planned on narrating this whole thing, but I just don't feel like doing that anymore. So I'm just gonna sit and let y'all watch me be my face and maybe come back at the end. So I really hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank you and enjoy. Bye. I said I was gone, but I lied. I'm back. You are going to notice that I did not, and I repeat, did not put on any eyelashes. All I gave you was a couple coats of mascara, and I left it at that. I am not good at the eyelashes. I haven't mastered the craft. Shout out to the girls who have. I appreciate you, but it ain't me. And I just want you girls out there to know that your look can also be complete with no eyelashes. It's perfectly fine. It's okay. All right. So don't feel discouraged if you're just like, I can't put them on. Neither can I, sis. Neither can I. It's okay. Alright, so there you have it, my super simple, super pretty look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to put the products that I use in the description box. Please like, comment, subscribe, and come back. Thanks for watching. Bye.